Did you know that Grandcombat has been listed? You don't know? Really? In this video, I am going to give you an update concerning the Grandcombat listing. Right, so now if you're new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, give me a like, leave a comment at the comment section. Make sure you join my Telegram channel and also follow me on X. And when you check the first comment, you are going to see my top 15 Telegram crypto projects. Make sure you join all of them because they are very important. If you fail, now own problem. Oh. Alright, so now this is the Grandcombat X account. So I'm just going to click on that to confirm. Alright, so I'm just going to click here and see. So people following them. So we have some notable and my guy, my main man. I like this guy, Lord Dre. Okay, following them and Vindicated, Chidi and Prince Land as well. Alright, so this is that. So yes, so let's scroll down. So this is their original X account. Alright, so they have like more than 100k followers, right? So we are excited to announce the launch of our game's native token, Grandcombat. This is a significant milestone in the implementation of our project development roadmap. So grand in numbers. So this is it. They have over 5 million people registered on their bot, and they have the total community of 1.9 million people, and they have their total supply is 1 billion, right? So they have 1 billion tokens, and you can now buy and trade Grand token on Stormfi exchange. All right, so it is being listed on the Stormfi exchange. So they have listed it without the TGE, so there is no any distribution of the token because they have just launched the game and they want us to gather more of the games. But they have spelled out the reason why they have listed this token, right? So it says why you need Grand, why you need a Grand token, right? So enhanced farming, so it will help you to have more of their tokens. All right, so in-game purchases, so within the game you can use the Grand to make some purchases. Okay, so participation in new projects. Okay, you can use the Grand to participate in other projects as well, which they will be partnering. All right, so other tournaments, Grandcombat Dio, and also the mining, you understand? So you can use the token for all these things. All right, so Grand has a limited supply. Okay, so that is their total supply, and that they have a limited supply. So there won't be a case where you are going to they are going to say, oh Charlie, we have realized that the total supply is small, so we want to add up more of the tokens. No, so it is limited. Okay, they have a limited supply. The Grandcombat game has already attracted millions of users. Demand for the token is growing, and the burning of used tokens increases its value. Don't miss your chance to get Grand at the starting price. Start farming and become part of the growing Grandcombat ecosystem. Right, so if you have money, you can also buy the Grand token and keep. So they do the listing, or they do the listing to other top tier exchanges. Yes, so you are going to buy it for a very cheaper price now. All right, then you wait. But I've told you on this particular channel, we don't buy, okay? We don't invest, okay, unless it's urgent. All right, so I won't advise you to buy anything or any token from the Grand, but what I will say is that keep on farming. If you are new to this project, I'll leave a link at the description down below. Make sure you join this project because it is very huge project. All right, so thank you for watching. Please like this video, leave a comment at the comment section. Make sure you follow me on X and join my Telegram channel. When you check the first comment, you're going to see my top 15 Telegram crypto projects. Make sure you join all. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.